Hello my lovelies, I hope you're all doing well today. Welcome back to Happy Wife, Happy Life. My name is Shelly, and in today's video, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how to transform a spring wreath into a fall wreath. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to go ahead and just simply add a couple of things to this wreath, and very cheaply we're going to transform it from a spring wreath, as you can see here, into a fall wreath. And you guys, I picked up this wreath in the beginning of spring. I picked it up from Ross, and I just love every single item that this wreath has. And I paid $24.99 for it, but it's definitely worth every single dollar because it's real nice and full. So I'm just gonna be adding 2 simple pumpkins to it, you guys, from the Dollar Tree. And they are in the color white, as you can see. I'm not making any modifications to them because, like I told you, I want to keep this simple and I want to keep it cheap. And I also picked up this bunch of flowers, and I picked this up from Michael's. I did not pay $14, you guys. They have a 60% off sale. And I'm going to see if I can get you the SKU as well, just in case. And if I can find them online, I'll go ahead and link them. My camera does not want to focus. But either way, this is what they look like. They have that golden yellowish light color. And I guess that's going to be the theme because everything I'm buying to accent my already existing fall pieces is in this color. So I'm going to go ahead and simply add these 2 Dollar Tree pumpkins right around here. And then I'm going to take apart the florals and just into little tiny sections like this. And then I'm just going to add them into the wreath, you know, in different areas just to bring in that yellow color. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And you guys forgive me, I don't have a tripod. My son left to Miami and he took the tripod with him, and you know, I'm okay with that because I know he's gonna be filming over there. So I'll do the best I can to show you guys what I'm doing, okay? Now I don't want to use too much of the glue, you guys, because I do want to pull this apart later on. And I want to be able to reuse my wreath, which I absolutely love. I've had it out the entire year since I got it back in the springtime. And I've just been enjoying it so much. So I'm just gonna put 2 simple pumpkins there, and then we're gonna start adding the golden foliage. just randomly. And this is not to overwhelm the wreath, but it's just going to be to bring some color of the fall season into it. And I know you guys don't have the best view right now, so just bear with me. I am going to show it to you in its entirety, but very, very simple, you guys. This is something that you can basically just take what you have, and just by adding a little color and maybe a little bit of the theme, and that's it. You don't have to spend a lot of money on these wreaths. I mean, you can go all out if you want, but it's really not necessary, just because you can definitely work with what you have. I'm kind of just randomly placing the golden color all around so it can tie in with the rest of the kitchen. And since I'm using just one of these flowers, it's a whole bunch, I still have all of these to work with and add around the kitchen, which is fantastic. I'm gonna get more bang for my buck, and I just think this is a cute way to add to the fall decor without having to break the bank. And it's as simple as 1, 2, 3, you guys. Obviously you can put as much or as little as you want. Again, my style is very simple. The wreath already has a lot going on, so it really doesn't need a lot to be added. I just wanted a little pop of color. And since this has been outside, you guys, it's held up wonderful. But I did wash it outside. I pressure wash everything, make sure there was no little bugs or anything like that, because I am going to be using it in the indoors. And so all I added was a little command hook. And remember, when you guys are placing those command hooks onto your wall or your door or whatever you're hanging, make sure that you cure it for 1 hour before you hang anything on it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! So this is my final look, you guys. Transforming my spring wreath into my fall wreath, just by adding simple little touches and adding a little golden colors to bring in the fall colors. But this is definitely so beautiful, and I would like to say I updated this wreath for less than $3, and now I have a beautiful wreath for my pantry door, you guys, which I've wanted for a very long time, and now I have it. So I hope you guys like my tutorial. Keep it simple. There's so many ways to use your existing decorations and just add little fall touches to it. And when spring comes around, guess what? All you have to do is take off your little tiny golden touches and those 2 pumpkins, and you're back at action. You can go as far as adding bows and, you know, more greenery or more color. But to me, since we do have a very neutral theme, this works amazing. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe. I have a lot of videos coming up, and everything has to do with fall, which is of course my favorite season, and Christmas too. I always say that because this is my favorite time of the year, where we can deck everything out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you guys think this is a good idea. If you've done something like this, let me know what you revamped down below, and I will love to hear what you guys are doing. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
But they don't get, we can choose, 'cause we're like one, like one, like one, like one.